particles could be removed instantly from turbulent oil flow. Today we'll demonstrate how MagPro high-strength neodymium magnets achieve just that. To simulate real-world conditions, we prepared a clear bottle filled with vegetable oil, chosen because its viscosity closely matches SAE 5W20 engine oil. Note how we weighed 4 grams of fine steel particles and carefully poured them into the bottle using a funnel. Watch closely as the magnets particles settle to the bottom. That's what we'll capture using MagPro's high-strength magnets. Next, let's shake the bottle to mix the oil and steel particles. Notice how the oil turns black, showing full dispersion of the contaminants. We'll let it sit for a few minutes while we prepare the next step. Installing a spring-loaded plastic ring fitted with 6 MagPro high-strength neodymium magnets. Unlike real MagPro filters where the magnets are directly exposed to oil, this setup has a plastic barrier reducing magnetic attraction by about 20%. But let's see how it works. We shake the bottle vigorously, agitating the steel particles into a turbulent state. After a few moments, we let the bottle sit on the bench to allow the magnetic filtration to take effect. The fluid is clear. Only traces of debris remain at the bottom, as nearly all the steel particles have been attracted to the magnets. Despite the extreme turbulence we created, MagPro technology has successfully captured even the finest steel contaminants. In the real MagPro filters, magnets are housed inside a precision-engineered canister groove. This setup ensures full retention of all steel particles, including microscopic ones that could otherwise circulate through traditional filtration media. By capturing the larger debris, MagPro magnets help filter media stay clean longer, extending service intervals and extending engine life. So whether it's a turbulent demonstration or real-world use, MagPro magnets prove to be an essential solution for cleaner oil and better performance.